Well, hope you people are doing good. Today we are back to give you unmissed review on hinktry.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, as people from United States and Canada are looking forward for the legitimacy of this store, so let's check out the details. Hinktry is an online forum that provides gardening supplies and utility vehicles such as fans, greenhouse heaters, bucket, basket, mountain bike, drift cycles. It ships throughout the world. The website categorizes the product into three parts, with the best-selling product as one of its categories. Let's check out the specification of this e-commerce store that provides gardening supplies and utility vehicles. It is HTTP secured website, and the products are shipped and delivered within 15 to 21 working days. No shipping fee apply for countries like Canada and United States, and the products are to exchange within 14 days. The return will be initiated within 7 days of the return. The products are to be returned within 14 days of your purchase. They have mentioned the email address which is not matching the domain name, and it is not a good sign. The good point of the website are the website contains the necessary products for gardening and adventure. The products are visible with mentioned size and dimension of the product. The website claims that it has good product at affordable prices. It claims that there are no fee for shipping the product all over the world. The website claims that it refunds the amount in just 7 days of the return. So it is not a user-friendly website. It is a red flag for the website. Moreover, the prices are too cheap, which is unrealistic. Reviews could not be found. 2 to 3 lines of description of the product, which is not enough to describe the product. There are no less than 100 products on the website. The website is approved and favored on the internet. So the question is Hinktry legit? As we are checking out the parameter to check out its legitimacy, so we discussed that it is a newly created website, just 2 months old, and it has a poor trust score, that is 1%, and it does not have any social media presence, and honest details are also missing, and it is again a red flag that raises the question about the legitimacy of the store. So as we can say that there are no believable reviews concerning the site or products. To answer the queries about the reviews, one social media contains its present, but it does not have any customer review. In every product there is no review, and there is no option of star and rank marking. So in our final verdict, we can say that this website is not a legitimate one, as the newness of the website, poor trust rank and fake contact details, too cheap prices, unrealistic policies, plagiarized content strengthen the views that it is a scam website, that you people must stay away from this store, because if you buy anything you may get scam and you may lose your money in the end. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from Hinktry, please do share your reviews with us. We love to hear from you.